My name is Federico Jesus Vanegas Pedraza, and now I'm in a clothing store. So I'm going to present some products that are sold here. So let's start. This is a pair of brown pants, and they're $31. This is a pair of small black socks, and they're $9. This is a pair of yellow shorts, and they're around $20. This is a fancy blue shirt, and it is $50. This is a pair of blue jeans, they're made of cotton, and they're around $45. This is a white shirt with blue lines, and it also has a pocket on the left, so it is $21. This is a black jacket. They come in many materials, but in this case, it is made of leather, so it's around $100. This is a orange dress. It is made of silk and other materials, so it's a bit expensive, around $300. And this is a large skirt. It is blue and has a white line at the end, and it is $30. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.